Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Prime Day is coming, guys. You might want to take a look. Click the link down below. Check these guys out. If you like this item, all you gotta do is add it to your cart right now, and they'll ship this to you fast. Take advantage of the Prime Day sales going on now. Jump ahead of everybody else. And you might want to get one of these. This is kind of, a heavy little guy. Jeez Louise. Luerjia memory foam pillow. Yes. Alright, let's take it out. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Okay, we got it. That's what it looks like. Nicely vacuum sealed. Just be careful where you cut it. You don't want to cut the pillow. So I gotta be careful. Cutting and strutting. So here we go, guys. Definitely check them out. I do believe they got all types of sizes for the pillows. And see what other kinds they have. If you like this one, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, and check out. Alright. Just about there. Oh. Now this is luxury. This feels really comfortable. Not sure what that is. It's like a mini pillow for your dog. Huh. That's interesting. It's like a mini pillow for your... I don't know. But look at this, guys. This is super great material. Oh, got away. Look at that. Boom. Oh yeah. These are the fancy kinds. You can definitely get a good night's sleep on these. Good rest. Take a nap on this. It's always good to have extra pillows. You never know. Good for pillow fights. Good old days. There you go, guys. Check them out. Link will be down below. Memory foam pillow. Luerjia. And be safe, YouTubers. See you guys soon.